Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Thursday, July 6, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see the futures have tumbled a little bit here today. They are trading lower by 8.5 points to 24.19.5 per contract. All in all, the futures were actually even a little bit lower, but they've come off the lows a tad here, and we'll see where we start out the day at 9:30. But right now, in the pre-market, we like to focus on stocks in the news, and that's what we're going to do. The first stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be YUM Brands China. So YUM China right now trading at $37.49. This is a spin-off from YUM Brands. Again, the stock closed at $40.13, so we got a pretty good haircut here. I do think there's a fair amount of support around the 36.40, 36.25 level, so we'll see how that plays out. But if I'm going to give you a level right now, 36.40, 36.35, somewhere around there. Definitely some intraday support, at least temporarily. If we break through there, we'll continue to look at it in the intraday stock chat room today. So if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We got some volatility out here this morning. That means we're going to get trade setups. Next one we want to take a look at is going to be Herman Miller. MLHR is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $32.25, closed at $30.85. So Herman Miller's upticking nicely. Give this the upside bias to around the $34.55, maybe $34.65 level. Again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do anything here. Let it give you a chart setup. But again, if you do own it, you want to try to run it up to those levels that I just mentioned. Next up, we're going to take a look at LB, which is L Brands. And what you're going to see here is stock is getting hit pretty nicely. Closed at $54.11, now trading down to around $50.20. This comes on the back of, I guess, some same-store sales for the month. Either way, you're seeing this drop off pretty nicely. There is a fair amount of support here, though, around this $49.50 to $50 area. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Costco in the news today, COST. Stock is getting a very nice gap up. It closed at $158.02. It is now trading at $161.05. So again, Costco up on the back of they reported better same-store sales. I think the sales are up 6%. You can check out the news for yourself. We don't even care, but the stock is up. So Costco making a nice bounce here today. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. We'll look at this. No levels right now off the bat that I'm seeing, so we'll watch for pattern once the opening bell rings a little bit later today. Next, we want to take a look at GPC, and this is Genuine Parts. Right now, the stock is trading at $87, closed at $89. The only level that interests me for this name today is down at $83.15. We get down to that area, give or take, a quarter, maybe 50 cents. I like $83.15. Keep it on the radar. That should be a pretty good play. Yesterday in the chat, in this morning video, I gave you guys the ORLY level. That worked out to the tune of $2. So that was a very, very good play. And again, beating down equity right now. But we'll watch that Genuine Parts, GPC. That could give us an opportunity right around that $83.15 to $83 level. We'll see how that plays out. There is a takeover today. It looks like Home Shopping Network, or better yet, HSNI, is being bought out by Liberty Media for, I believe, $40.36 a share. So great pop there. So HSN being bought out by Liberty Media. Let's take a look at Liberty. The ticker symbol there is LVNTA. And you can see that stock today trading right around the 51.30 level. But HSNI, great move there. Stock is very, very strong ahead of the opening bell on the buyout. Next up, we want to take a look at Tesla. Tesla really getting hit hard lately. Stock yesterday closed at $327. This morning it's down another 10 bucks, trading at $317.70. So good haircut here for Tesla. A level I'm seeing though, and it's a risky one, is around the 304 area. If you could get this around 304, I do think there is going to be some decent support in that area. So let's see how it plays out. We'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. But around 304, that is a pretty good level, and obviously 300, you have a nice round number there. So we'll keep that on the radar for Tesla today if it does get down there. I think I covered all the stocks there. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up 2.5 points. It's not a big move for gold. We'll see how gold plays out today. Gold has really been struggling as of late, but today it is up $2.50. Right now, spot gold trading at $12.24 an ounce. And if you take a look at the GLD, which we have here on the screen, trading at 116.46, closed at 116.52. So it's really not doing all that much this morning. Next up, we have crude oil rebounding a little bit. Crude was hammered yesterday to the downside to the tune of a decline of almost 4%. Today, it's snapping back up 1.4%. Right now, trading higher by 65 cents to $45.78 a barrel. So again, $45.78 a barrel for crude right now. If you take a look at the USO, you'll see this is trading at 9.40, closed at 9.25. So you're reflecting the uptick in crude oil today. There will be crude oil inventories out today at 11 o'clock. So remember, due to the holiday, inventories get pushed back one trading session. So we'll have them out at 11 o'clock. Normally they're out at 10:30 on a Wednesday, but today they'll be out at 11 o'clock. And I believe we have nat gas futures also coming out with their inventory numbers at 10:30 this morning. So we'll see how that all plays out. But there you have it. If you have not done so, come on over, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. You get to trade right alongside of us. We've had a great 2017. I'm going to look to keep that going right into the end of the month and also into the end of the year. Volatility is definitely on the uptick today. Futures are lower right now, trading down by 7 3/4 points. So again, we should have some decent action out here right from the get-go. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.